Ally High Yield Savings Account. So if you want to open, review, or just view about the high yield savings account that is available for Ally Bank users, all you have to do is simply open up your browser, then just go to ally.com. Then when you go to ally.com, this is the kind of interface you will see. Simply select the option called Checkings and Savings from the top left of the screen. And over here under what we offer, you will find an option that says high yield CD. So you want to simply select that option that says high yield CD. And once you've done that, you'll be able to see anything regarding the high yield savings account that is available on Ally Bank. So you can see saving money is great. Out of 2,700 reviews, the deposit CD review is actually 4.4 stars. So that's actually pretty excellent. And over here, if you want to open new account for high yield, you can select this option, by the way. If you scroll down, you'll find all of the benefits and the features that is offered with Ally Bank City. You can see the digital banking tools, FDIC Insured, and so on. And just like that, you should be able to see all of the percentage yield annually and monthly as well. And here you can see no hidden fees and no surprises. So this is basically it, what the Ally Saving Shield is all about. You can see this option here that says open account. If that's what you want, you can select the option over here. But to give you an idea, this is what it is all about. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.